Volkswagen Digital Cockpit. The available 12.3-inch display is a true breakthrough. Instead of the traditional instrument cluster, information can be displayed digitally in high resolution. Take in a concert on your way to the concert. The Atlas comes equipped for non-stop entertainment, from touchscreen sound systems to the ability to bring your favorite tunes, soundtracks, and podcasts along with you. The brains behind the brawn. There's plenty of technology to help keep you informed and more confident, from 9 available driver assistance features to the available Volkswagen Digital Cockpit. Pedestrian Monitoring, included in front assist. This available feature has a radar sensor to help alert you if a pedestrian is headed into the vehicle's forward path. If the driver doesn't respond adequately to the audible warnings, the car can brake automatically with full force. Front assist. The available pedestrian monitoring, included in front assist, has a radar sensor to help alert you if a pedestrian is headed into the vehicle's forward path. If the driver doesn't respond adequately to the audible and visual warnings, the car can brake automatically with full force.